Hi, my name is Nick, your account manager for iknowit.com, and in this video, we're going to learn how to log in as a student as well as how to navigate the student portal on iknowit.com. The first thing you will want your students to do is go to the homepage by typing iknowit.com into their web browser. We suggest saving the site as a favorite on the school device so they can access it both at school and at home. Next, have your students select Login. They will be asked for a class code, which they should have received from their teacher, as well as their username and password. Again, we recommend making the usernames and passwords simple, such as the student's first name and last initial for a username, and 1234 for a password. This allows students to easily log in after they enter their class code. Once students are logged in, they will be brought to the student homepage. The first thing students will see are any lessons that have been assigned to them by their teacher. iknowit also gives students the option to explore different lessons on our site. Students also have a settings tab where they can adjust features such as the read aloud voice, toggling animations on and off, or switching to emojis. There's also a progress tab with an easy to read overview of their individual site data. They can see how long they've been logged in, their scores, and they can scroll down and see their completed lessons. Students can also view the answers to questions they've worked on. Thanks for watching. Now you know it.